Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple images in Adobe Express. But first, you need a reason or a goal. Are you making something for Instagram, TikTok, or just a collage? Once you decide, all you have to do is click this plus size in the top left corner. Now Adobe will ask you what size do you want for your project. If you're posting this for Instagram, then pick square, or TikTok, pick portrait, and if you just want more space, then pick landscape. For this project, I'm using landscape because my pictures are tall. And now it's time for upload. All you have to do is click upload, select all your pictures, and then click open. And now all your images are in Adobe Express. So since I picked 16 by 9, it fits my tall photos quite better. But if I picked square, then my images might look cut off or look weird. So all I'm going to do is click on the pictures and drag it to fill the frame. And I'm going to doing this for rest of my pictures. So if you think they overlap or look off, that's not a big deal. All you can do is click that picture. You can right click and all you can do is bring to front. Or even if you want, you can send to back as well. And if you want to trim a picture, all you have to do is click crop. And you can resize each photo to match and make them fit just right. So that's how you combine multiple photos or pictures on Adobe Express. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in my next video.